10-digit dialing is now in effect. So from now until October 30, 2018, you are being reminded to add 876 before the 7-digit number you are dialing. For business operators, the change may be a bit more technical, but Elizabeth Bennett Marsh from the Office of Utilities Regulations is here to tell us all about it.
We have been doing a great deal of sensitization. We have been updating, especially business customers. We have had several sensitization meetings across the island, in St. James, in Manchester, in Kingston, as well as with government ministries and agencies. For businesses, we are encouraging them to ensure that their PBX systems are reconfigured to include the 876, the 10-digit dialing. We are also encouraging them to change out their signage that they may have in the front of their businesses, etc., to include 876, letterheads, etc. We're also asking companies who provide services, for example, point-of-sale machines. They use telephone numbers. In order for your business to be transacted successfully, those POS, those point-of-sale machines, will have to be reconfigured to include the 876 so that when you go to the supermarket and you swipe your card, you should have a reasonable expectation that that transaction will be processed successfully because the numbers now in that machine would have been reconfigured. Also for alarm systems, we're asking companies when they to also do that, to also reconfigure their clients' alarm system so that if it is an alarm is sent out, then it goes to where it needs to go. We are also asking customers and businesses to do sensitization with their staff members so they know exactly what to expect. We have also asked, and we have been assured by the telcos, the major telephone companies, that they will be standing ready to assist their customers, whether it's individual customers, residential customers, or business customers, in whatever way they can. One of the other questions that we get from customers is, will there be a charge? Cell and Flow have been saying to their customers, right now they don't envision that there will be a charge. They have also said that once you call, remember we talk about the permissive dialing period, you have $50 on your phone, for example, to make a call. You dial 7 digits, you're getting this recording. Will I be charged to listen to this recording? They have said no. You will not be charged to listen. So your money is not used up until the call actually starts being put through.
So there you have it. Please ensure you're making the necessary changes to facilitate 10-digit dialing.